Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Lynn, and this is Lynn's Wonderful World of Makeup and Fun. On this channel, I do unboxings, tutorials, get ready with me's, try-ons, first impressions, hauls, pretty much anything that has to do with makeup and fun I like to do on my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you wouldn't mind jumping down and hitting that subscribe button, also turn on your notification bell. That way you get notified each and every time I upload a new video. And I do upload often. For those of you that have come back, thank you. Your love and support means the world to me. If you guys haven't done it already, go over and check out my giveaway video. I just put it up, I think 2 days ago. It's for when I reached my 100 subscriber giveaway. If you'd like to know about it or would like to enter, make sure you check out the video and follow the rules to enter. I am having 2 winners in this giveaway. But in today's video, I am unboxing my Boxycharm Premium, which finally made it here. For those of you that don't know about Boxycharm, Boxycharm is a monthly makeup subscription box. They have the base box, which is $25, and you get 5 full-size products. Then they have the Boxy Premium, which is $35, and you get 6 to 7 full-size products. And then every 3 months, they have the Boxy Luxe, which I think is more of a makeup, skincare, lifestyle box, sort of similar to FabFitFun, in my opinion. They have been incorporating lifestyle products. That is $49.99, and on the month that you get your Boxy Luxe, you do not get your base box. But, like I said, this is the Boxy Premium, and when you open it up, it looks like that. This is the card. Most of the time we get a card with it that has the products in our box. A description of them and how much they cost. This is the card for this month. You have spa, glamping, sunbathe, yoga, and slumber. And I got variation 48. The first thing that I am pulling out of the box is the After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator. That is what the box looks like. And it says that it is organic and vegan. And then you take it out and you slide it on your hand when you're in the shower. It's got a pretty rough texture to exfoliate your skin. It says the After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator. The After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator is a self-exfoliant that cleanses the body, removing dead skin cells that need to be carefully removed. And that has a retail value of $18. I can tell you now, I'm pretty sure that my husband is going to steal that from me. He loves exfoliating. Sometimes I think he just likes saying the word. The next thing that I am pulling out is my MAC Amplified Lipstick, and it is in the shade Vegas Volt. I'm going to open her up, but I can tell you guys now, I am not going to swatch this. That is the little package, and this is what it looks like. I can tell you guys I'm not going to swatch it because it is one of those reds that has an orangish tint to it, and I do not, that shade is not a good shade on me, so that is going to be set aside for one of my giveaways. This says the MAC Cosmetics Amplified Lipstick, an ultra creamy lipstick formula with a smooth glide, bold color payoff, full coverage, and a semi-lustrous finish. And that has a retail value of $19. I'm kind of sad that it's in this shade because I've never had a MAC lipstick before and I've heard they're nice, but I'm not going to try it on my lips just to find out that it's not a good shade on me. I already know it's not. Anyways, the next thing that I'm pulling out is the Laura Geller Fortifying Lashes Eyelash Primer, and it is in the shade Black, which really excites me. Every eyelash primer I have ever gotten has had that white, and I could never figure out why they gave us something white to put on our eyelashes before we put on a black mascara, or any color mascara for that matter, because to me, I never get it right, and I have clumps of white in there. So I'm very happy that this is in the shade black, and this is what the package looks like. And then we have the wand. That's a nice thick wand. I can't wait to try this out. I have been using the Lily Lashes eyelash serum that we got in the Boxy Lux the last time, and I can say I have noticed, I know you guys hear me complain about my eyelashes all the time, but I have noticed that they are getting thicker. I don't know about longer so much, but they are getting thicker, and it's been almost 3 months now that I've been using it. But this is the Laura Geller Fortifying Lashes Eyelash Primer. The creator of Spackle and expert in primers introduces the newest innovation in priming your lashes. Unlike other white-colored lash primers, this black-tinted formula blends with your mascara or can be worn alone for a natural lash look. And this has a retail value of $24. The next thing I'm pulling out, and this is, I've been so excited, this is what I've been waiting for. This was my choice product, and this is the A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum by Sunday Riley. I've only ever had 2 Sunday Riley skincare products, and they were little samples that I got in my Ipsy bag way back when, because I haven't gotten Ipsy in like a year and a half, so I know it's been a while, but I really liked them. And this is what the package looks like. It is a nice glass. I love the color, and I love that it's dark, especially since they say that we should keep our skincare. I need to get one of those little skincare refrigerators, but in a cool, dark place. I think when they put it in these dark glass packages, it really helps, you know, keep it stored properly. But this says the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinol Serum is an advanced strength retinoid serum that delivers a 6.5% solution of stabilized retinoid blends and botanical retinol alternative extracts into the skin. I don't know if any of you guys have ever watched Reed's Beauty Tripp. She is like a skincare guru. I swear she is the go-to person if you want to know anything about skincare. I will leave a link to her channel down in the subscription box. She has been doing a series, I think it's on Sundays, where she's been talking a lot about skincare. She's a really great channel. Not only that, but she does some really awesome makeup looks too. But I will definitely be asking her some things about that. The next thing that I'm pulling out is the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder, and I am very happy to have this since we just got the concealer in our base boxes. This is what the package looks like. I absolutely love this package with the black and gold. I just think it looks so cool. And it's sealed all the way. And then you just lift. I like that too, because I always end up losing this piece, but it's actually connected. And it has a little heart right there. And this couldn't have come at a better time, because I have been using my Bette blurring powder as my powder, and I am so close to being out. Like, I have been babying it, trying to make it last as long as I can, and now I have a replacement. But this is the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. This setting powder provides a veil of perfecting luminosity for a finish so natural they'll think you were born this way. The formula is infused with hyaluronic acid, which gives a smoother, more youthful appearance. I am down with anything that will make me look younger. I am 46 years old, and time is starting to catch up with me. And this has a retail value of $33. And last but not least, I'm pulling out the Canary London, the New England Editor Palette. I have been very excited. I have seen a few unboxings, and I've been excited to get this as well. I absolutely love Canary London. I have a lot of their products, from powders to blushes to lipsticks. I have several Canary London products, and I have loved each and every one of them. And look at that packaging, guys. I absolutely love it. It's like a pink marble, and it's texturized. I have started to like, packaging really gets me. Like, I am a sucker. You can get me to buy something if the packaging looks good enough. But this is what the palette looks like, and that is very beautiful. We have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 mats, 7 mats, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 mats, and that doesn't add up right. I don't know. 1, 2, 18. Okay, so I guess it's 6 mats and 12 shimmers. My bad. My math is a little off today. But look at that, guys. Isn't that pretty? I am not going to swatch it. I will swatch it when I do a look with it. I'll probably do a first impressions or a get ready with me one day next week and use this palette. And this says that the Canary London New England Editor Palette, inspired by New England in fall, this palette features super soft and blendable shadows in a mix of richly pigmented autumnal hues. Mix and match the metallic glitters and mattes for effortlessly hazy eye looks. And this has a retail value of $32. Now, I will leave the total value of my box in somewhere on the screen. So, what did you guys think about this box? Are we box twins? Did I get anything in my box that you didn't get that you wanted? Have you tried any of these products? If you have, can you let me know down in the comments what you think about them? Is there anything that you got in your box that you were super excited about? Just drop a comment below and let me know what you think. That's, I'm going to recap one more time. I got the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder in the shade Translucent. We got the Canary London New England Editor Palette. We got the Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum, which I am super excited about. We got the Laura Geller Fortifying Lashes Eyelash Primer, and I am super stoked to try this, especially since it's in the shade black. I got the After Spa Slip-On Exfoliator, which, like I said, I'm pretty sure my husband's going to steal from me. And then I got the MAC Amplified Lipstick in the shade Vegas Volt, which that will be the only thing in this box that I will not use, but I will definitely set it aside for a giveaway. If you guys have stayed with me this long, thank you. Like I said, for those of you that are new, if you haven't done it already, go down and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on your bell. Also, if you guys wouldn't mind rating my video, give it a thumbs up if you like what I got in my box, or if you like to see these kind of videos. Give it a thumbs down if you're really not into this kind of thing. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. Like I said, don't forget to go over and check out my video where I talk about the giveaway I have going on. I believe that I said I was running it until September 4th. If you want to enter, I am going to have 2 winners. Make sure you go over to that video and follow the rules to enter into that contest. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, love and hope, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!